Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a song here from TIAGO and PERSONAJES. Perhaps I butchered that pronunciation, but anyway, this song is called Piel, I think. A nice song here, I thought could fit here on Growing Guitar. So we have this chord progression that goes in the same way from the beginning till the very end, like it usually does with these kind of songs. And we can choose between two string patterns. So yeah, let's take a look at this one. No need for any cape on this, so let's take a look at the chords. To start with, we have the F bar chord. So that's a bar on the first fret, and you bar all strings there. And then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. The next chord is the G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have the C, and that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Then we have this chord here. It's a C G chord. CB or whatever. We're gonna call it the CG chord. So that is second on A, open D, open G, third B, and open E. So depending on how you see this chord, it could be called in different ways there, but that's the CG here in this tutorial. And the next chord will be A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And there you have the chords. So we can choose between two different string patterns. So if we go to the F here, so one of them could be like this. Right? So it's about 3 downs, like this. And that is the rhythm also. What I do here, I play the first down on the bass strings, and I answer the next 2 downs down here on the higher notes. So, bass, top, top, bass, top. Right, so that is one of them, and the second one is more emphasized on the beat here. So it'll be down, up, clap, down. So it's down and then comes up, clap, down. So down and a short pause, and then up, clap, down. Here again, I play the first down more on the bass strings, and the rest go on the mid top strings down here. So bass, up, clap, down. Sort of answering a thing here, bass, and then you answer with the rest down there. So that's the string patterns you can choose between. And the chord progression will be the same, and the same with this amount of times you go with the strumming here. So you're gonna play F2, G2, then C1, CG1, A minor 1, and G1. That's one round. So if I choose now the second way of use the string pattern here, the down, up, clap, down, it will be like this: F2, G2, C, CG, A minor, G. And again. And you just continue like that from the beginning till the very end, and that covers a song called Piel. So hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please support me here on Growing Guitar. Until next time, play tuned.